Good morning, student. Now today we will start new lesson. Last time we have finished that fifth lesson of math second. Now today we will start fifth lesson of math first. Linear equations in two variables. Already you have studied to solve the linear equation with one variable. Okay, linear equation means this form like a one variable, that equation having one variable. So that is linear equation in a one variable. Okay. So now, m plus 3, 3y plus 8, see here only one variable they use. So this one is called linear equation in one variable. This year you have to study linear equations in two variables. So first one, we will see this one as a revision part. M plus 3 is equal to 5. Then what is m? This plus 3 goes that side, it become minus. So 5 minus 3, 2. Okay. Then this 8 plus, when it goes this side minus, so 28, 22 minus 8. 22 minus 8, here you have to subtract till this 8 is cancel this side. So 16, 6, then 22 minus 8. So what is the subtraction come? This is 24. Okay, 24. Then here 24, this 3y equal to 24. This 3 is multiply, when it goes that side divide. So 3, 8 is a 24. So like this assignment I will give for you only. You have to fill these boxes and complete this assignment. This is the revision part. Now this year you have to study linear equation in two variable. Linear equation in two variable means in that equation they use two variables. So first one we will see the definition of this linear equation. See here the definition is given. This is the total definition of simultaneous linear. We can say this linear equation in two variable is simultaneous equations also. When we consider two linear equations in two variable simultaneously and we get unique common solution, means both the equations having same solution, unique solution, one solution, unique means one, then such a set of equations is known as simultaneous equation, also that is known as simultaneous linear equations in two variable. Two variable means in that equation two variables are used like this: x plus y, x minus y. Here 1, 2, this two different variable. So this equation is called linear equation in two variable. And if we consider simultaneously these two equation, simultaneously, that's why at a time two equations. So that's why that are known as simultaneous linear equations in two variables. So very first method here you have to study, that is elimination method of solving simultaneous equation. Now elimination method means what? So here you have to eliminate one variable. So then you will get the value of second variable. For example, here how many variables? Two variables. Either you have to cancel x or y, then you will get another one. For example, we cancel x, then what remain? Y is remain now. So for that there is a one important method. First, which variable you have to cancel? That is not compulsory. First cancel x or first cancel y. That is depend on you. But the condition is what? That coefficient of that variable should be same and sign should be different, then that will be cancelled. For example, see here x plus y, x minus y is equal to 2. So very first thing, give the number of this equation. This is first, this is second. Now if we see the coefficient of x is here 1 same, y also same, means either here you can cancel either x or y. If we add directly these two, see here this plus y minus y, what it cancel. So what remain? This is 0. X plus x, 2x. 14 plus 2, 16. So this 2 is multiplied. When it goes that side, divide. So 16 divided by 2, it is 8. So value of x is what? 8. Means here we eliminate y. We found value of x. Now what you have to do? Put this value. Substitute x is equal to 8. This value you can put any one equation. any one, either 1 or 2. Suppose we are putting that is 1, x plus y is equal to 14. Which one you feel simple now? Put that value in that equation. So x is 8 plus y. This 8 is plus, when it goes that side, minus. So 14 minus 8 is what? 6. So value of y is come 6. Okay, write this example also in your notebook. So this is what 8 and 6 is the solution of this equation. Solution means what? This equation if you put here, see here, x is 8, y is 6, 8 plus 6, 14. X is 8, y is 6, 8 minus 6, 2. Means both the equation has same solution, unique solution. So these equations are known as simultaneous linear equation. So for that we will see the first exercise. Now in the book already they have given here another method as substitution method. At last I will explain its substitution. Okay, because this method is omitted this year from your syllabus because syllabus is reduced. So you can see that in PDF file already I sent it. So this part is omitted. So this part you have to no need to study. But for your knowledge I will explain one example on that afterward. So now we have to say practice set 5.1. We will discuss about 5.1. First question, by using variable x and y, form any 5 linear equation in two variable. Very simple question. So I will give this example for you, assignment. Okay, use the xy letter and prepare the 5 equation. Okay, many equation you can prepare like this. Suppose 2x plus 3y is equal to 10. First equation means you can take any coefficient of x or y, put plus or minus sign and equal to whatever be the value you can take. Like that you have to write 5 equations. Second question I will explain how to solve. It is simple one. And from third I will solve first, then some different one, then this one, fourth and fifth. 3 I will solve, 3 you have to solve. So one by one we will see the examples. See here. So first one, see, write the 5 solution of the equation x plus y equal to 7. So first solution, if we take x is equal to suppose 2, then what is y? If 2 you taken, 2 is 7 minus 2, it is what? 5. Check it, 2 plus 5 is 7. This is the first solution. If you taken x is equal to 4, then 4 goes that side minus 7 minus 4, 3. This is the another solution. Third one, if you taken x is equal to minus 2 suppose, if we take minus sign, then what? Then what is y? Here minus 2, it goes that side plus 2, 7 plus 2 is what? 9. Check it, minus 2 plus 9 is 7, yes. So solution means that equation should be satisfied. Whatever be the value you are putting, that come equal to this one. Then fourth one, suppose you taken x is equal to 0, then what is y? X is equal to 0 means 0. So what remain? Y is equal to 7. Fifth one, x is equal to minus 10. So what is y? Suppose this is minus 10, it goes that side. 7 plus 10. So it is 10 plus 7, 17. So these are the solution, 5 solution of this equation. Lot of solution, infinite number of solution you can find it. So maybe this type of question asks for 2 or 3 marks. So study it properly. Then second one, so we will see second question now. Solve the following sets of simultaneous equations. So first one we will take, see carefully. So this is very important for you because in 10th standard also big lesson on this one. So we will take now, see here, x plus y equal to 4, 2x minus 5y equal to 1. So what is your first step? First step, write this like this, x plus y is equal to 4. This is equation number 1. Then 2x minus 5y equal to 1. This is equation number 2. Now, first you have to cancel x or y. If we cancel, directly take addition subtraction, So is that possible to cancel? No, because your coefficient of x is 2, your coefficient of y is 5. So first one, you have to make the coefficients are same. So how it will be same? Huh? What do you have to do there? You have to make them same. So first one, if you have to cancel x, then here you want to multiply this equation by 2, all terms. If you have to cancel y, then multiply all this one by 5, then it will be cancelled. So suppose we have to cancel x, so we have to make the coefficient same. So what we will say here? Multiply equation first by 2. Multiply here this x plus y by 2 and this 4 by also 2. Okay, what is it? 2x plus 2y is equal to 8. This is equation number 3rd, because new equation form now. So now here see the second and third coefficient of x is same. So if we add, it will be cancelled. 2x plus 2x, no. So here it should be minus. So what you have to do? Subtract either second from third or third from second. Suppose we'll subtract equation third from second. Okay, so third from second, as it is you have to write 2x minus 5y equal to 1, and this one 2x plus 2y equal to 8. So what you have to do? Subtraction. You know how to subtract algebraic expression. This one plus, so it become minus. This plus, minus. This one also minus. Now you have to consider this side. Plus 2x minus 2x, cancel. X is cancelled. Minus 5 minus 2. Both are minus minus. So minus sign. And 5 plus 2, 7. Y equal to 1 minus 8. Subtraction and greater number sign. 1 minus 8 is minus 7. So this minus and minus become plus. So y is equal to, this 7 is multiplied. It come this side. So divide. So y is equal to 7 upon 7. 1. Okay. So now put this value, put in which equation you feel simple. You can put this y is equal to 1 in 1, 2, 3. Any equation, the same answer come. So now here y we got, we have to find value of x. So which equation is simple one? First one is simple. So take it in equation 1. So 1 is what? X plus y is equal to 4. So x, y is 1 is equal to 4. This 1 goes that side, minus. So what is x? X is equal to 3. So what is the solution then? Your solution is what? X is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. This is the your answer. So one more example we'll see on this one. Suppose second one, 2y minus x is equal to 0. 10x plus 15y is equal to 105. So now see here, you have to do some adjustment for this. Here y term first, here x term first. Either x should be first and y should be second. You have to arrange that. So suppose we take x is here, but x carry minus sign. So as it is minus, this 2y afterward is equal to 0. Suppose this is equation first. There is no change. Just we are adjusting, placing. If you have to take this term other side, then you have to change the sign. Otherwise, there is no change in the sign. Second is what? 10x plus 15, here y, 2y. 15y is equal to 105. This is equation second. So check coefficient of x, y. So which one simple? This one simple. Here no coefficient means 1. So here you have to multiply this by 10. So it will come same. So here what you have to say? Multiply equation first by 10. Okay. So multiply it. 10 multiplied by minus x plus 2y is equal to 0 multiplied by 10. So what is it? Minus 10x plus 10 2s are 20y, 10 zeros are 0. This is equation number 3. So now see, signs are different. If signs are different, you have to add. If signs are same, you have to subtract. So here what you have to say? Add equation which one now? Second and third. Why second and third? Because in second and third, coefficient of x is same. So what is second? 10x plus 15y equal to 105 plus what? Minus 10x plus 20y equal to 0. So this is plus minus cancel. 15 plus 20, 35 equal to 105. This 35 is multiplied. It goes that side, divide. 1 za, 3 za. You can divide by 5 also. If we those knows this is 35 3 za, then directly you can divide. So y is what? 3. So put this value. Again you have 3 equation. Put y is equal to 3 in equation. Which one you feel simple? First, second, and this is the third. Put that one. Suppose you put this one in first. So minus x plus 2y equal to 0. Minus x plus 2. Multiply by y. Y is what? 3. 0. So minus x. 2 3s are 6. This x is minus. Take that side. It become plus. This 6 as it is. So what is the value of x? 6. So your solution is what? Solution is x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 3. This is the answer of second one. One more example we will see. See carefully. That is very important lesson for you. That's why I am taking 3 questions. So you have to solve remaining 3. So third one, suppose we will take 2x plus 3y plus 4 equal to 0 and x minus 5y equal to 11. Simple example. See. So first one, give the number. Very first step. 2x plus 3y. So here one adjustment you have to do. This plus 4 given left hand side. We want number part that side. When that plus 4 goes that side, it become minus 4. Here 0 now. If we taken here minus 4. This is equation first. Then x minus 5y equal to 11. This is equation second. So observe whose coefficient is same? No one. So which one simple? Here x is 2. Here no. Means here we can multiply equation 2 by 2. Multiply equation 2 by 2. Then it becomes same. Na? So first as it is. So 2 multiply by this one. X minus 5y. 11 also multiply by 2. Both sides you have to multiply by same number. So here 2x minus 2 5s are 10. Y. 11 2s are 22. This is equation number 3. So which one you have to consider now? First and third. Because in first coefficient of x is same. But sign is same come. So you have to subtract. So subtract this third from first. Subtract equation third from first. Okay. So first write as it is 2x plus 3y equal to minus 4. Minus sign. Third one is 2x minus 10y equal to 22. So minus means this minus become plus, this one minus. So this 2 cancel. So 10 plus 3, 13y. Here plus sign now change. So here this one minus come, minus 22 minus 4 minus 26. Same sign, so addition, and both the number carry negative, so negative sign for that addition. So y equal to minus 26 upon 13. 13 1s are 13 2s are. So what is the value of y? Minus 2. So put this value, again 3 equation. Put y is equal to minus 2 in equation. Which one you feel simple? First, second. This is third. Suppose we are taking this one simple. So second in equation second. Suppose second is what? X minus 5y equal to 11. So x minus 5 multiply y. What is the value of y? Minus 2. So we have taken here in the bracket 11 as it is. X minus minus product come plus 5 2s are 10 equal to 11. Okay, so take plus 10 that side. So 11 minus 10. So x is equal to 1. So what is your solution? Solution is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 2. Our example or our answer is correct or not, you can check it. You put in any one equation this value. Suppose x is equal to 1 here if we put. Okay, here one. Any equation, suppose third one we will take it. X is equal to 1. Means 2 ones are 2. And y is equal to minus 2. Minus minus plus 10 twos are 20. 20 plus 2, 22. Means your answer, whatever be you found, that is correct. I think everyone got it. That's simple answers. So now we just complete this assignment. First example already I discussed with you. You have to write that equations and solve this second, third and sixth one. Okay. Thank you and send it. That is very important.